Okay, with these questions, we're given some data values and we're asking, or we're told what data values would lie between certain percentages. So again, we refer back to that empirical rule. So for number 10, put that right there. The question is, what x values lie between 68% of the 68 contains 68% of the data. So what we're given is that we have a normal curve and that the mean is 15 and the standard deviation is 3. We know that 68% from the empirical rule is 1 standard deviation below to 1 standard deviation above. So to find out the x values, the data values, what we have to do is, what is the standard deviation? It's 3. So we add 3 to go above and we subtract 3 to go below. So our answer is going to be 15 minus 3 is 12. 15 plus 3 is 18. Okay. While we're continuing on, we'll look at 11 is going to be very similar. We could probably look at this picture, but this time they want to know what contains 95% of the data. So we draw our curve again. Here's our mean. This time the things are a little bit different. It's got a mean of -3. Okay. A standard deviation of 1, so we'll use that in a moment. But what's 95% of the data? Well, that's 2 above, so here's 1, 2, so it's plus 2 above to minus 2 below will give us 95%. So in all this area here. So since a standard deviation is 1, we take 1 times 2 and we get 2. And we take 1 times -2 and we get -2. So we're going to subtract 2 and add 2. -3 minus 2 gives us -5 at this end. And then -3 plus 2 gives us -1 to the right side. So that's our answer. X values between -5 to -1 contain 95% of the data. And finally, for 12, we have a similar type deal, but it wants the x values that lie between the mean and 3 standard deviations. So, and this is just 3 standard deviations above. It's not going to the left or right, just to the right. So we go here all the way to 3 standard deviations. The mean, they don't tell us what it is, so, but it's right here in the middle. We'll call it 0. So what percent? We don't want the x value, we just want the percent that lies here. Well, we know 97% take us from -3 to 3, so this is half of that. So we take 99.7% divided by 2, and what we get is 49.5%. So that's our answer for 12.